In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one. Then select Close in the pop-up. If you wish to, you can also go into Settings and scroll down to access Location section over here. Then use this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!